Hello, I am Mrs. Cavazos, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on Rather Be, that violin lick you hear at the beginning, in the original key of G sharp minor or A flat minor, however you want to look at it. I'm going to say G sharp minor because it has 5 sharps, so F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. The original key, super easy if you start up here. Hopefully you can see my fingers. So on the D string, instead of your first finger being on the E, you're actually going to put it on the F sharp. Your second finger is going to be on the G sharp. Your third finger is going to be on the A sharp. And your fourth finger is going to be on the B. So it's going to look kind of like this. You are going to live in this happy spot the whole entire way. It's going to be so much easier instead of having to go back and forth and do all these weird extensions or whatever. Your fingers are going to stay there the whole entire time. So once you have them positioned, your fourth finger B on the D string is the first note you're going to have. So B, D sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp, A sharp. So doing that again, slowly. Next part, you're still living in that same happy spot right there. Same happy spots. You're gonna go G sharp, B, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp. So that's the next part. The part that comes afterwards is going to be just like the first one. So if you did it the first time, you could do it again. You're starting on the B again. So B, D sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp, A. Then this part is where it gets a little bit different. Going down, F sharp, D sharp, B, D sharp, B sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp. So going through all of that slowly, you start on the B. Hopefully you can still see my fingers again in their happy spots. So that next part goes F sharp, then like the first part again, here's your B, same spot. You're not, if you notice, my fingers aren't shifting up and down, they're just moving across the strings. So B, D sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp, A sharp, F sharp, and then it goes back to G, G, B, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp. Then the last bit of it, G sharp, D sharp, B, G sharp, G sharp, D sharp, B, E. So that's the whole entire lick. Again, if you stay in this spot, you won't have to shift or do any weird extensions or anything. You're going to keep that finger pattern. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, ooh, and B. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. You could email me. The email is down below. You could check out some of my other play-alongs or tutorial videos that you'll see. Yeah, let me know how it goes. This is one of my jams. This is one of my favorite songs. So jam out to it, play it. Let me know how fun it is. I hope you have fun listening to Rather Be and playing along with it now that it's in the original key with those finger patterns all the way across. And happy practicing. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that wonderful things, and I will see y'all next video.